not a cardiologist, but rather I am a hematologist who specializes in the study of blood coagulation and thrombosis. So this is a very enlightening meeting for me. We, using a new technique to do intravital microscopy on mice, we have studied thrombus formation in these mice, and unexpectedly ended up discovering that there is a specialized enzymatic pathway for turning on all the components that lead to the activation of thrombosis. And I think this was the first time that this concept was introduced to this particular group. Even though there are a number of papers, most of the people here are cardiologists or have an interest that relates to cardiology. So as part of this, we've discovered a new approach, a new target for antithrombotic therapy that inhibits thrombus formation, both fibrin formation as well as platelet formation. And we are hopeful that this may be useful in the treatment of a number of thrombotic diseases, including myocardial infarction.